Imagine you just got your first car and you're ready to hit the road. But wait, what about insurance? Let's break it down. Insurance, in its simplest form, is like a safety net. It's there to catch you when unexpected things happen, like a fender bender or a tree falling on your brand new ride. For young drivers like you, insurance is especially important. You see, statistics show that drivers under the age of 25 are more likely to be involved in accidents. It's not because you're bad drivers, it's just that you're still honing your skills. This makes you a higher risk in the eyes of insurance companies. So, they charge more to cover that risk. That's why having insurance is not just a legal requirement, it's a financial lifesaver. Now you're probably wondering, what's the best insurance for a teen like you? Choosing the best insurance isn't as simple as picking the cheapest one. There are several things you need to consider. Let's dive into the factors that can affect insurance rates for teens. Firstly, the type of car plays a crucial role. High-performance cars or SUVs often cost more to insure than smaller, safer vehicles. So, if you're driving a flashy sports car, be ready for a higher premium. Secondly, your driving record matters. Insurance companies consider your history behind the wheel. If you've been involved in accidents or have a record of reckless driving, you'll likely face higher premiums. On the other hand, a clean driving record can lead to lower rates. Location is another key factor. If you live in a bustling city with high accident rates, your insurance might cost more than if you were in a rural area with less traffic. Finally, the coverage you choose will influence the cost. The more comprehensive your plan, the higher the premium. Basic liability coverage might be cheaper, but it won't cover damages to your own car in case of an accident. In addition, some insurers offer discounts for good grades or for completing a driver's education course. So, keep those grades up and consider taking a driving course to potentially lower your insurance costs. So, it's clear that there's a lot to consider when choosing insurance. But don't worry, we've got some top picks to share with you. Now, let's dive into some of the best insurance options for teens. First on our list is comprehensive car insurance. This insurance type is a great option for teens as it covers a wide range of incidents, from theft and vandalism to natural disasters. It's like a safety net, catching all those unexpected events that can trip you up. However, keep in mind that it comes with a higher premium compared to other types of insurance. But considering the breadth of coverage, it's often worth the extra bucks. Next up is liability insurance. This is a legal requirement in most states and covers the costs if you're at fault in an accident. It includes bodily injury liability, which takes care of medical expenses, and property damage liability, which covers repair costs for any property you might damage. The downside? It doesn't cover your car's repairs or replacement, so if you're prone to fender benders, you might want a more comprehensive plan. Thirdly, we have collision insurance. As the name suggests, it covers your car's repair or replacement costs if you collide with another vehicle or object. It's a step up from liability insurance. But remember, it doesn't cover medical expenses or damages to the other party's property. Another option worth considering is uninsured, underinsured motorist insurance. This type of insurance comes into play when you're in an accident with a driver who doesn't have sufficient insurance to cover your expenses. It's a handy safeguard, but it isn't mandatory in all states. Finally, there's personal injury protection, or PIP. This insurance type covers medical expenses regardless of who's at fault in the accident. In some cases, it even covers lost wages and other non-medical expenses. This can be a good option for teen drivers who want added peace of mind. Each of these insurance types offers unique benefits and drawbacks. It's crucial to weigh these against your budget, driving habits, and the level of coverage you're comfortable with. Keep in mind, the goal of insurance is to protect you from financial hardship in the event of an accident or unexpected incident. Remember, the best insurance for you depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Insurance can be pricey, especially for teens, but there are ways to lower your rates. One of the most effective methods is maintaining a clean driving record. Insurance companies reward safe drivers, so avoid speeding and reckless driving. Every traffic violation can bump up your rates. Another smart move is to enroll in defensive driving courses. Not only will these classes teach you invaluable skills for staying safe on the road, but they could also qualify you for discounts on your insurance premiums. Choosing a safe car is also crucial. Insurers often offer lower rates for vehicles with good safety ratings and features like anti-lock brakes and airbags. While it might be tempting to skimp on coverage to save money, remember that being underinsured can cost you more in the long run. Instead, focus on these strategies to lower your premiums while maintaining adequate coverage. With these tips, you can save money while still getting the coverage you need. So there you have it, a crash course on the best insurance for teens. We've walked through the importance of insurance, key factors to consider, and top-notch options for teens. We also touched on some savvy tips to help lower those insurance rates. Remember, the best insurance for you is one that meets your individual needs and circumstances. It's all about finding that perfect balance. What are your thoughts on the best insurance for teens? Comment below and let's discuss.